Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a magnifying zoom effect. Let's just say we have footage where we want to take a little bit of a section. Here in this example, maybe a flower. Let me cut this one short using the split tool B. Then I select it and Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy paste. We want to take this little flower and then make it a bit bigger, but only this part. We have to do a couple of things. Number one is we have to scale up our copy, so the top footage in the second video channel, the one that's above the other, we need to scale that. And you can also see we need to reposition that. I'll start with 100 and create a keyframe right here at the start, then I move forward. Create a second keyframe with a scale of 200. So we have these two diamonds now on this footage, and this scales it up gradually. As I've said, in this case we also need to reposition it. So we get back to the first keyframe at the start. This time we go to position and start an animation here as well, creating a keyframe. Then we jump to the second position, and here we reposition it directly with a left click drag. The preview window, this creates a new keyframe, and now this scales up and is repositioned at the same time. But we also want to keep the original footage, so we go to mask for the top one and use, for example, a circle. In this case, I reposition this on the flower, and we need a keyframe for the position. I go to the end and reposition that to create a second keyframe. And in this case, I also want to resize that a little bit. And to do that, it's the same game yet again. I go to the start, go to size, start an animation by creating the first keyframe right here. Then I jump to the second keyframe and resize this, which creates a new keyframe for size automatically. We play it again, and this is our final result. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.